Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the ULT Field 1 Bluetooth speaker from Sony. And a big thanks to Sony for sending this out for review. The ULT Field 1 is a compact Bluetooth speaker. It has a nice rugged design, and this can be taken pretty much wherever you want to go. Offers 12 hours of battery life, 4 different colors. We've got forest gray here. It also comes in black, orange, and off-white. And this one also has the ULT button, so it adds some deeper bass. This does come in at a price of $100 to $130 depending on where you get it from. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside the box. All right, so we got some instructions here. So it looks like it does have an app, and you turn it on, connect it to your phone, and then you're off to the races. So let's go ahead and take this out. It's got a nice cloth case it comes in. We've got our USB-C to USB-A charger. And then we've also got some documentation. All right, with that QR code, it brings us to a help guide. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Download the app, Music Center. By using the Music Center, you can adjust the equalizer and sound quality on the speaker. All right, so let's take this out and take a quick look. All right, so taking a look, you can see we have this really nice color. I actually really like this. It's kind of a grayish green color. It is pretty rugged. We've got rubberized ends on this, and it's got a pretty nice design, I'd say. Fabric coating all the way around. On the top, we've got a power. We have a little charge indicator, our Bluetooth, play, pause, and phone, and of course, volume up and down, and then the ULT button for that extra bass. You have a kind of lanyard here, so you can kind of take this with you or attach it somewhere. And then on the back, it looks like this is where we're going to charge it, and that is a USB-C for charging, which they did include in the box. All right, so let's see if this has any battery. It does. All right, so it's automatically going to go in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and see if we can see it here. And it already shows it up here, so we'll go ahead and press the ULT Field 1. To use ULT Field 1 in the current network environment, you must register the device. So let's go ahead and hit next. All right, Bluetooth pair, go to settings, Bluetooth settings, and then ULT Field 1 under my device. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to get our Bluetooth going. So we should hopefully have, let's see if it pops up. There it is. Oops. ULT Field 1. All right, looks like it's connected. Let's go back here. Okay, setup complete. All right, so now we have this nice view. We actually can see how much battery we have left. We can group this with other speakers. We have My Library, Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, and Settings. So I'm assuming if you have other music services than I do, you would have more options down here. All right, just to give a quick sample of how this is going to sound, I had to go find some music that is not copyrighted so I can play this on this video, but here is a quick one here, and I'll show you the difference without the ULT button on. So this is with the ULT button off. So that was just a quick sample with the ULT button off and with it on. This is with default settings. I think it sounds fantastic. Now, just to show you some of the settings that we have available in the app here, you can see again, we have the speaker itself. We've got our library, music, Spotify, and any other streaming service you may use. Under settings, we have an option for sound. So to use the custom EQ, you do have to turn off the ULT power sound and go to custom. And then when you come into custom EQ, you can create your own custom equalizer in here. I don't think there are any presets or anything like that. So really, yeah, so you can create your own, but there's nothing else other than that one option. Now under the power options, we've got a stamina option, and this will suppress power consumption. And then we also have auto standby, which is nice. So the device will turn off automatically if not used for 15 minutes. So that's pretty nice. You're not going to waste battery with it. And then under system, it just tells you ULT Field 1 2700. So there you guys have it. A quick look at the ULT Field 1. I think this is going to be a pretty nice speaker. This is going to run $100 to $130, depending on where you get it from. This is going to offer really good sound and probably great for small gatherings, taking it to a hotel, something like that, or taking it to the pool, to the beach. If you have a larger gathering, you may want to have multiple of these or a larger speaker overall. But I really like the fact that it has this little carrying, lanyard type deal here. It's got this rugged, rugged sides and everything. So this is going to be able to take, a little bit of a beating, and it is IP67 splash and dust proof also. So if you do take it to a pool and it happens to get splashed, it will work just fine. So there you guys have it. If you are interested in this, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. Any questions or comments, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.